Hey team, and today we're going to do something tasty and delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of stuffing. If you're new, then welcome, and please consider subscribing, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos. But for right now, let's go ahead and jump in, and I'll show you how to make these 3 delicious stuffings for some porky awesomeness! That sounded horrible, but it tastes awesome. That's what's coming up today on Studio-214.
Where is my chef shirt? I need my chef shirt.
First, we start with the brine.
Two tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix until the cocaine, I mean sugar and salt, are dissolved fully. Then lay in the loin. Put the top on and in the fridge for no less than 2 hours. That's gonna be tasty. Delicious stuffing number 1.
So this here's going to be the first stuffing. We're going to use goat cheese, a shallot, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some nutmeg, and just a little bit of sugar. To go some goat cheese and a little bit of cream cheese. Now combine. A little bit of garlic powder in there. Needs a little something to macho it up.
Delicious stuffing number 2.
Some cherries, some raisins, a little bit of brown sugar, just a little bit, some sage, a little bit of buttermilk. And put in that some shallot. A little bit of walnuts. Okay, stuffing number 2.
Delicious stuffing number 3.
Walnuts. Shallots. Just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. want to cut in there. You don't want to go long because then it'll fall out. You want to have like a pocket and go from there. Look at that. All sorts of places for good nooks and little crannies. Just make sure you don't go through and make sure you don't cut yourself. See, I'm going in, but I'm not cutting this way. I'm using it as a pivot so I can get a cavity inside. That's what I want to do. So it'll have a lot of room to flavor and get around, but it won't have a lot of room to fall out of. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the idea anyway. Yeah.